So featured here is one of our yard art color prints printed on self-adhesive vinyl. It's simply peel and stick. This one measures 48 inches tall by 31 3/8, so you could get 3 of them out of a sheet of plywood. And a little bonus feature that we do with our color prints is where there's a lot of white space left over from the main character, we throw in a bunch of small characters. No extra charge. I mean, we had to print the paper anyway, so why not fill it up, and it's only a little bit of extra ink, and give some added value to the product that we're selling. And you could cut the small ones. Small ones are 6 inches tall in this example, and the taller ones are 12 inches tall. Small ones you could cut them on a scroll saw and hang them as an ornament on your Christmas tree. Larger ones you can put on maybe on a mantle. Peel and stick it on a thin piece of board and let it stand on your mantle. Of course, the full-size one can be displayed in your yard or next to your door to greet people, or in a store window or anything like that. So now it's cutting. There you go. And that's our Polar St. Nick color print. Just another one of the characters that we sell. It's a color print of a elf, Christmas elf. Same thing, we include smaller characters. We have over 50 different elves in the store available to purchase. Free shipping anywhere in Canada and the United States. Price is $39.99 currently, and that's right to your door. Something else that we're working on besides Christmas are also a series of zombies. We have well over 100 zombies in the store, and this is one of the color prints that we did a test on. So for sure soon, especially for next year, Halloween time, we're going to have all of our color zombies available to purchase your color prints. That's just one example.